I'm excited to invite you to our Grand Valley Day of Giving, scheduled for Thursday, March 20th. Please be there to support our students in our exciting initiative in the College of Computing to guarantee an experiential learning opportunity for every single student at the College of Computing. You will hear now from our students how you can support them in their journey in research, entrepreneurship, and also internships.
So before I came to Grand Valley, I really had no idea about academia or pursuing research full-time. But as I've been able to go through my courses and engage with faculty members and hear them get excited about their research, it's really opened my eyes to exploring grad school as a real possibility.
The internship prep class has really prepared me for what I need to know after I get out of college and also what is expected of me when I go into the job market.
My experience in the College of Computing has been really amazing. I've been able to do a ton of different things, whether that's through study abroad, internship experiences, or research. It's just been amazing, all the opportunities that have been presented for me, and just the past 3 years have been really amazing.
Please be there to support them in their journey by contributing to our College of Computing Innovation Fund on Thursday, March 20th. See you there, and thank you for your support.
Computing Lakers.
Computing Lakers.
Computing Lakers.
Computing Lakers. Computing Lakers.
Computing Lakers.
Always reach higher.